Hello friends, welcome to the next tutorial of this module. Today, in this tutorial we will learn about how we can perform IDOR vulnerability. Let's hack IDOR order tickets. Okay, so currently our security level is low, and over here, how many tickets would you like to order? 15 euro per ticket, and I would like to purchase one ticket, so let's hit confirm. So total amount charged for your account automatically is 15 euros. Now let's order 2 tickets. Okay, so the amount has been changed to 30 euros. Now let's order 10 tickets, and let's do one thing. Let's turn on the intercept in our burp suite and capture this request. Okay, so the burp suite has captured the request, and if you look over here, the ticket quantity is 10 and ticket price is 15. That means per ticket it's going to charge 15 euros. Let's change this amount to 1 euro and forward the request and see what the response is. And voila, we are able to book 10 tickets in 10 euros. So this is how you perform insecure direct object reference in low level security. Now let's change the security to medium. And let's check that if we are able to tamper with it or not. Okay, so the price for one ticket is 15 euros. Now let's make it 10 and intercept the request via burp suite. Let's hit confirm. Okay, so burp has intercepted this request, and as you can see over here, there is no price parameter over here. There is only quantity and action parameter. So they have hidden the price parameter. What if we ourselves add the price parameter? First let's observe it that for quantities, for number of orders, it's using ticket underscore quantity. So it might be using ticket underscore price for the amount. Let's change the price amount to 2 euros and also put an ampersand. And now forward this request. So over here you will see that we have successfully tampered the data and bought 10 tickets at 20 euros. This is how we find the IDOR vulnerability in a website. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this tutorial.